In this guide, you will learn how to create pop-up text or text bounce effect in After Effects. First, select the Type tool from the toolbar and click on the area where you want your pop-up text. Then simply type your desired text. You can change the character settings inside the character window. For proper text bounce effect, you need to change the paragraph settings to center text. Using the Align properties, you can align your text in the center of the screen. Now, select the text, hold Ctrl, and double-click on the Anchor Point tool. It will place the anchor point in the center of the text. Next, switch back to the Selection tool by pressing V and press S to see the scale property. Make sure that the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline. Now, click on the stopwatch icon beside the scale to add a keyframe. Then set the scale to 0. Next, press the page down at least 4 times to go 4 frames forward. Modify the scale to 140. Again, press the page down 4 times and set the scale to 100. You can see we made a simple pop-up effect to make it look more visually appealing. We can add the motion blur by dragging and dropping this icon here. If you don't see these icons, simply toggle it from here. Now, we have made a perfect pop-up text effect.